I-fan base Orlando Pirates right now it divided into two. Yabo, some people are saying Umthetwa was better than Usbisi. Umthetwa was not supposed to be let go by Orlando Pirates. More and more people are saying this. Yabo, ngazi mina because I prefer Usbisi. Usbisi indlela adlala ngakhona. He's a traditional center back. Yabo, I don't think abantu abaningi ba understand indlela Usbisi adlala ngakhona. Most people are saying favoritism eqhamuka Jose Rivero. Jose Rivero ufike ku-Orlando Pirates ngo-2022. Umthetho wafika kwi-Orlando Pirates ngo-2016. You cannot tell me i-favoritism ya Jose Rivero. If you look kumdlali wasayinwa ngo-2016, umthetho mele ngabe shuthi wayithola ibreak yakhe kwi-Orlando Pirates. Mesikhuluma ngoSbisi, uSbisi I think ufike kwi-Orlando Pirates ngo-2021 or 2022 lapho nje. And uJose Rivero ufike nini 2022. And uJose Rivero waqala ukusebenza kahle nalomshida uSbisi minoxoki. Yabo mina ikhumbula kahle lo center back partnership bathengwa kanye benoxoki. Uxoki wayiswa kumaZulu kanti uSbisi wayiswa uGolden Arrows. Boba uthu babe ucaptain khona. And ama qualities bafike bayishintsha Orlando Pirates. Mukhumbula kahle defense yethu sasinohlatshwayo sibe nojele abantu ababadala bengakwazi ukuyidlalela iOrlando Pirates. But kwafika labajida laba bayishintsha Orlando Pirates saqala ukwina ama Cubs. Because uma ukhumbula kahle kwisizini yabo yokuqala sawina i-MTA need kucoach Jose Rivero. Mina ikhumbula kahle leyo season leyo. So I fail to understand why abantu bethu uSbisi akadlali libhola leli silithanda. Yes, uSbisi is a traditional center back. Right now asinawo ama defenders azodlala njengoNda. UNda udlalela libhola elihamba phansi uqala ibhola emuva benosesana. Iliphi defender ongalifaka kweLorlando Pirates edlala ibhola liphansi? Because umthetho you cannot tell me ukuthi umthetho uyakwazi ukudlala lo bhola. Mase siba nje neVAR bafethu. I know most people badumele ngokuhamba kamthetho nami ngidumele kakhulu yabo. Mhlambe Orlando Pirates bingakwenza okunye mhlambe imloan. But kube kuyena umdlalo uyena ushilo uthi cha angisafuna ukulona ahlahle mina sengifuna igame time kweOrlando Pirates yabo. I need more game time. Yabo maybe agent yakhe ikubonile naye lokho because lo mdlali lo uphethwe iagent and the agent mibona umdlali waye engadlali. Agent izokhala and the agent ifuna more game time for iplayer yakhe. Khona iplayer yakhe izofuna amathima amakhulu maybe phesheya maybe like kwi-Betway Premiership. So i-decision kahle ibiyiscasi kakhulu because ngizwile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibifuna ukumloana yabo ibifuna ukumloana lo mjida lo and ibifuna amathima manje ngoChipa amaZulu TS Galaxy yabo nako amaZulu esema-approachile and ukuhamba kwakhe maybe kuzosilimaza but look on the bright side Orlando Pirates ngeke izihambise i-defender kanje mase iyahlala ingenzi lutho. I-transfer window next season. Transfer window njalo ngo-January next month if I'm not mistaken. So i-window nje ngo-January bafethu ehlisana amaphaphu. Orlando Pirates iyazi ukuthi izowenzani. Mina sengiyazi Orlando Pirates izowenzani. Izopromote i-defender elilodwa mase ithenga i-defender elilodwa. I think so isikhathi sakhe umfana ukuthi apromote manje ku-Orlando Pirates. Yabo uyadlala ngempela lapha ezantsi. And sekuyisikhathi ukuthi uMbokazi athole igame time lapha because siyababona osesana. Nase nibheke indlela adlala ngakhona Jose Rivero. uJose Rivero kwiCelta Vigo wayedlala kakhulu neYouth. Yabo wayekwazi ukubona iYouth, wayesebenzisa iYouth kakhulu because iYouth iyona kuneyo lama games. Mase ubheka iBetway Premiership right now kugcwele iYouth kakhulu. Yabo so uJose Rivero uzama ukinstilla leyo mindset ku-Orlando Pirates right now ukupromote more youngsters. Yabo promoting more youngsters kukunikeza ithuba lokuthi ube nabadlali abazodlala kweOrlando Pirates yabo abazohlala iminyaka kweOrlando Pirates and ivalue yabo ngenzeka ikhuphuke and bathengwa amathima phesheya ngemali enkulu. So mina ngiyakusupporta lokho kwenza iOrlando Pirates uthi promote ama youngsters. Lo mdlali mase bonisa ayithola igame time kweOrlando Pirates and yambona umthetho iminyaka yakhe bisimshaya ngempela bela ko-27. So umthetho uhambile bafethu it's a pity ukuthi uhambile but you cannot say umthetho ube better kunoSbisi. Why pho bengangeni umthetho ahead of uSbisi? Why bengangeni umthetho ahead of uSbisi? Why umthetho wayengadlali ngosikhathi uJose Rivero engadlali? Mhlawumbe aniyibuzi lokho because some people are saying i-favoritism kaJose Rivero. uJose Rivero ufike ngo-2022 ku-Orlando Pirates. Umthetho wafika ngo-2016 belokhu bemlona out bebuye lona out ebuye lona out. Yabo so you cannot judge ucoach by fielding abadlali abathembayo afikela kubona. Yabo because I'm sure before uJose Rivero afike umthetho wayeloniwe vele. Yabo so akabonanga uliningi kuyena. Wasebenzisa ischeme ajwayele ukudlala ngaso. uJose Rivero use-achieve more with uSbisi than umthetho. Sibe nje neVAR bafethu lapho uSbisi umthetho usebenzele kakhulu yabona kwi-Nedbank Cup yango-2023 umthetho udlalile ke lapha bafethu yabona eshale la goal la kwi-semi-final eshale la goal kwi-semi-final kulaba babethi we won Pirates wavele wa silent i-country ngempela lapho. Siyabonga ngempela ama-services kaMthetho, but kumele sibe realistic bafethu. You cannot tell me ukuthi uSibisi akadlala ibhola elingcono kunomthetho. Umthetho wontsompo kakhulu. Angifuni ukuqhathanisa abadlali bami. I love my players, guys. These are my players. Yebo, I support Orlando Pirates. These are my players, but you cannot compare the players like ubaqhathanise because you are dividing the team. Yebo, wakha inzondo. Musani kuyenza leyo nto. Yes, angabe favorite yakho, but ibhola linje, ibhola leli liyagingqika. Izinto ezenzakala ebholini. Yebo, asebthana ukuthi umdlalo usehambile kweLorlando Pirates. Yes, siluzile. Baningi abadlali sesabaluza before behamba kweLorlando Pirates ingamelanga ungabahambile. Yabo, ibhola leli khona umdlali esazomthenga mhlambe ongcono, yabo, ozoyiqala igame time, othenga uJose Rivero, yabo, because most abadlali abathenga uJose Rivero uyabelievela kubona. But ke right now bafethu ihlisana amaphaphu, musana ukudala uqhekeko, akukho right now. Siyodlala igame enkulu namhlanje, sidlala Stade Abidjan la away, yabo, ngathi singafocusa kulo game, sisuke nje kule negativity leyo yokuthi uSibisi akekho right, because uSibisi uyawabona lama hate comments online. uSibisi uyena odlalayo namhlanje, he's the captain, and ukubona lama hate comments uzomdala umfana ukuthi angafocus kahle egamini, yabo. Yike nje le nto bafethi iyabheda, angifuni nje ngiqambela amanga, yabo.